Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use undo and redo in Adobe Illustrator. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So I'm sure that it happens a lot to you. It happened a lot to you, or it will happen a lot to you that you change something or you move something in your document, and then you change your mind, and now you wanted to go back to where it was. So to do this, you need to use the undo button. So the undo button in Adobe Illustrator and in most software are either using the shortcut keys Ctrl+Z, or by going to Edit tab and clicking on Undo Move. And as you can see, the shortcut key for undo is Ctrl+Z. So I just moved these four circles over here, and now I want them back to where they were. So let's hit Ctrl+Z. First of all, let's go to Edit and click on Undo. So you can do this, but it is very time consuming. So I would recommend learning how to use Ctrl+Z, because it'll come in handy very much. So let's hit Ctrl+Z and see what happens. All right, so again and again, and as you can see, this is the undo button. And let's say that you've undoed a lot or more than it was necessary. For example, I just undid 4 circles, and let's say that I just wanted to undo only the 3 of them. So right now I need to redo the last step that I took. So what I have to do is either going to Edit menu and clicking on Redo, or as you can see, I can use the shortcut keys Shift Ctrl+Z to do the redo. So let's click on Redo and see what happens. All right, so this is redo. Let's hit Ctrl+Z once again, and now let's use the shortcut keys Ctrl+Shift+Z. So this is what happens when you redo. All right, so let's show rulers. So let's say that I've used like 4 or 5 guidelines like this. So you can also redo these guidelines too. So let's hit Ctrl+Z and see what happens. As you can see, you can redo these guidelines. So again, if you can either undo or redo the guidelines too. So let's redo them. And as you can see, it goes back to where it was. So that is it. All right, so let's delete these. So that's it, guys. We are done with this lesson. I will see you in the next lesson. Have fun and have a good day.